Welcome to this guided meditation for insomnia and deep, restful sleep. This session is created to help you ease sleep anxiety, slow down an overactive mind, and guide your body into a state of deep sleep healing. Find a comfortable position, either lying down on your back or resting on your side. Let your arms soften. Let your eyelids grow heavy, and allow the weight of the day to melt away. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, letting your entire body begin to settle. Now gently bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Let's begin a sleep regulation breathing pattern. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Continue at your own pace. Each extended exhale helps your nervous system switch into rest mode, easing symptoms of insomnia and nighttime restlessness. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into comfort, deeper into softness, deeper into calm. Now we move into a slow, soothing body scan for insomnia relief. Start with your feet. Imagine a warm, gentle wave of relaxation wrapping around your toes, your feet, your ankles. Let this wave move upward through your legs, your hips, your lower back, releasing tension, softening tightness, melting stress. Allow this warm, healing wave to travel up your spine, your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Finally, feel it reach your neck, your jaw, your cheeks, your forehead. Your entire body is now calm, grounded, and ready for deep, restful sleep. You don't need to solve anything tonight. You don't need to replay conversations or worry about tomorrow. Right now, your only job is to rest. Imagine placing all your thoughts, all your worries, all your unfinished tasks into a soft, glowing orb beside you. The orb gently floats away, carrying everything you no longer need tonight. Your mind feels clear, light, open. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready for serenity. Imagine now that you are lying under a calm, starlit sky. The air is cool and gentle against your skin. The stars shimmer above you, their soft glow creating a cocoon of stillness around your body. With every breath, starlight drifts down toward you, settling into your chest, your stomach, your legs, your hands. Each drop of light helps release the final layers of tension, helping your mind drift into deep sleep bliss. Feel the earth beneath you, steady, peaceful, holding you with stability and warmth. Now repeat these sleep affirmations silently or softly. I am safe. I am calm. My mind is quiet. My body knows how to sleep. I allow deep rest to flow through me. Each breath guides me deeper into peaceful sleep. I release insomnia with every exhale. I welcome healing and renewal. Let the words settle in your subconscious mind, reprogramming stress into serenity, restlessness into deep, nourishing rest. Your body is heavy. Your breathing is slow. Your thoughts are soft. Your mind is floating. You are ready to drift into a restful night of deep sleep. There is nothing left for you to do. Sleep is here, soft and gentle, surrounding you like a warm blanket. Allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into peace, into stillness, into sleep. Good night, and may your rest be deep, healing, and restorative. Namaste.